Hi everybody, Mr. Saunders here again, ready for lesson 3. Hope you're ready to do some more maths. Well done for the last 2 lessons, and let's see what we're going to be doing today. So, today we are going to be looking at numbers to 1,000 using our knowledge of tens and ones from lesson 1 and our knowledge of hundreds from our last lesson. So, what are we going to need today? Same again today. All we're going to need today is something to write with. So a pen, a pencil, whiteboard pen, gel pen, whatever you've got, and something to write on paper, a whiteboard, a book that you want to do your learning in, up to you. So if you need to go and get those things, go and get them now. And then when you come back, we can get going with our learning for today. Fantastic, super. So to get our brains working today then, I've got some number patterns and I want to see if you can work out, first of all, what are the next 3 numbers, but also to work out what actually the rule is. So have a look at the first one. We've got 12, 14, 16, 18. Can you work out for me what the next 3 numbers in that sequence would be? And then if you do that, manage to work out what the rule is as well. Fantastic. I can see 12 to 14. I need to add 2. Yeah. 14 to 16. I'm going to add 2 again. 16 to 18. I'm adding 2 again. So 18 add 2 is 20. Well done. Fantastic. Have you got the next 2? 20. Add another 2, 22, and the next one, fantastic, 24, well done. What's the rule then? I am adding 2 each time, aren't I? I'm adding 2, well done. Excellent, next one then, 24, 34, 44, 54. So, what are my next 3 numbers in this number pattern? Have a think. So I can see actually my ones are staying the same, aren't they? I've always got 4 in my ones. Just looks like my 10s are doing something. So I've got 2 10s here, I'm adding, and then I'm going to 3 10s. So here I know I'm adding 10. Here I'm going to add 10. So I think the rule on this one is that I add 10. So 24, 34, 44, 54. So if I've got 5 10s here, I need 6 10s in my next one. 64, what would come next then? 64. 74, well done, and 84, fantastic. I've always got 4 ones, but my 10s are going up each time. So over here, my rule is I'm adding 10. Excellent, okay. 28, 24, 20, 16. So already I can see here that my numbers are going down, aren't they? So I must be taking away each time now. So I wonder if you can work out what I'm taking away each time. So if I'm on 28, and I count back to 24, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. Oh, I've taken away 4. Let's just check it's the same for each one. 24, my head, going to count back 20, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. I'm taking away 4 each time. Okay, so I'm on 16, and I've got to take away 4. Who can work that out for me? 16, take away 4. I've got 16 in my head and I'm going to count 4 back. 16, 15, 14, 12, 13, 12. Excellent. Fantastic. Got there in the end. Okay, next I'm going to take another 4. 12 in my head, count back 4. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Fantastic. Well done. And then 8 take away 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Fantastic, 4, excellent. So the rule on that one is that I'm taking away this time. I'm taking away 4 each time. Well done if you managed to get this one right. This is the tricky one, okay? So look carefully. 9, 13, 18, 24. So what would be my next 3 numbers in that sequence? Have a look. What's the difference? How many have I added to 9 to get to 13? What have I done? Fantastic. Well done. If you said I'm adding 4. You're absolutely right. I'm adding 4, aren't I? It's from 9 to 13. What about from 13 to 18 then? What am I adding to 13 to get to 18? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, I'm adding 5 that time. Oh, so the first one, I added 4 to get to my next number. This time I added 5. Wonder what this jump would be. You might have seen a pattern already. Let's check. 18 to 24, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, this time I'm adding 6. Oh, this is a tricky one. So here I've added 4, added 5, added 6. So the next one's going to be added 7. You're absolutely right. I'm going to add 7 to this one, aren't I? So 24, add 7. 24. I've got 7 fingers. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Well done, if anyone managed to get that one. So the next one, I've added 4, add 5, add 6, add 7, add 8 to this one. And then the last one, for whatever number I get on there, I need to add 9. Wonder if anyone can work that out for me. 31, add 8. 31, add 8. Well done. If anybody said 39, fantastic. Well done. And then we've got 39, add 9. That's tricky, isn't it? 39, add 9. Well done. If anyone managed to say 48. Well done. Really tricky one at the bottom there, but well done for giving it a go. Well done. Fantastic. Okay, what are we doing today then? So today, as I said at the start, we're going to be looking at the place value of 3-digit numbers using hundreds, which we looked at in our last lesson, tens and ones. And we're also going to need to read and write numbers up to 1,000. So what we're going to need to know today, we're going to need to know what a 3-digit number is. We're going to definitely be using the words place value grid to show what digits in our hundreds, what digit represents tens, and what digit represents ones. And we're going to be using the words hundreds, tens, and ones. Fantastic. Super. So what do these represent then? What's this? This represents is it hundreds, tens, or ones? Call it out. Is it hundreds, tens, or ones? It's ones, you're absolutely right. It represents ones, doesn't it? So this is how we represent ones. In a 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, even if we went to a 5-digit number, we'd still represent ones using that. What does this represent then? So we know that one. Is it hundreds, tens, or ones? Have a look. It's tens, you're absolutely right, because if I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, there are 10 ones that make up a 10, aren't there? Fantastic. What do you think's coming next then? This is ones, this is tens. Fantastic. What does this then? What's this then? This is hundreds. Fantastic. And there are 100 ones here, or like we learned in our last lesson, 10 lots of 10 that make up 100. Well done. Super. So 3-digit numbers. In our first lesson, we looked at what a 2-digit number was, and we looked at what a digit was. Now, digits were 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. There were 10 digits that we could use, and a 2-digit number was a number that had 2 of those digits in it. So what do we think a 3-digit number is then? How many digits would a 3-digit number have in it? Yeah, quite simply, 3 digits. Fantastic. I've got some here. I've got 622. I've got the digit 6, the digit 2, and the digit 2. 3 digits. 1, 1, 2, 3. I've got this number, 381. Got the digit 3, the digit 8, the digit 1. 3 digits. I've got this number, 109. I've got the digit 1, the digit 0, and the digit 9. 3 digits. A 3-digit number is a number that's got 3 digits in it. Fantastic. So, on our place value grid, okay, we have got, when we looked at 2-digit numbers, we've got tens and ones. But when we are looking at 3-digit numbers, we need to add an extra column before the tens, and that is our hundreds column. So in this bit, in this column here, shows us how many hundreds there are in my number. This column shows me how many tens there are in my number, and this column shows me how many ones there are in my number to make a 3-digit number, because I'd have 1-digit, 2-digit, 3-digit. So here I've got the number 428, and I'm going to have a go at representing that using my hundreds, tens, and ones that we looked at before. So I know that the digit 4 is in my hundreds column, so I'm going to need 4 lots of 100. 4 hundreds. There we go. I've got 100, 200, 300, 4 hundredths, because my digit 4 is in my hundreds column. How many tens am I going to need then? This is my tens column. How many do you think? Yeah, I'm going to need 2 because the digit 2 is in my tens column. Let's have a look. Here we go. I've got 1, 2, 2 lots of 10. How many ones then? Let's have a look in my ones column. How many ones do you think I'm going to need? Yeah, you're absolutely right. I'm going to need 8 ones. Here we go. Let's check I've got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're absolutely right. I need 8 ones. Okay, let's have a look at another one then. What number is this then? This number is 351. I wonder if you can think, how many hundreds am I going to need to draw? How many hundreds in this number? Yeah, you're absolutely right, 3, because the digit 3 is in my hundreds column. It's nice and easy, isn't it? 100, 200s, 300s for 300. How many tens then? Let's have a look at my tens column. 5 tens, you're absolutely right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones then? How many ones? Oh, I know, all on its own, just 1 1, because the digit 1 is in the ones column. You're absolutely right. Well done. Right then, we're going to have a go at doing this together. We're going to have a go at drawing some 3-digit numbers out using our Deans together. So can you get your piece of paper or whatever you're writing on and whatever you're writing with, and we're going to have a go at doing this together. So first thing I want you to do is on your piece of paper is to draw a place value grid that looks like mine here. So I've got hundreds, tens and ones. So it's 2 lines going down, and just label each of those columns hundreds, tens and ones. You might put an H for hundreds, a T for the tens, and an O for the ones, or you can write hundreds, tens and ones, whatever is easiest for you. So have a go, do that now. It doesn't need to be nice, doesn't need to be straight lines. Just get a grid on your piece of paper or whatever you're working on. Because I am going to write a 3-digit number down, and I want you to see if you can draw it using hundreds, tens and ones. We're going to have a go at the first one all together. So the first number I'm going to go for is 264, and I've put that in my place value grid. Can you put the number 264 in your place value grid that you've just drawn as well? Fantastic. And then we're going to draw it. Now, we're going to draw it. We've drawn tens and ones before, and tens we drew as sticks of 10, and ones we drew little dots, and hundreds we're just going to draw as squares, because that is what they look like. Here, look, if I showed you what an actual 100 looks like, there we go. It's a square, isn't it? Because it's 10 by 10, 10 lots of 10. Fantastic. So let's have a go at doing this one together. In this number, I know I've got 2 hundreds. So I'm going to draw 2 hundreds in my hundreds column. Oh, let's get the pen. Fantastic, because this is 100, 100, 200. I've got 200. You have a go at doing that. Fantastic. Now we're going to draw the tens, and I've got the digit 6 in my tens column, so I need 6 lots of 10. Let's have a go at drawing that then. Do this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fantastic. So far I've drawn the 200s and the 6 tens. Guess what we're going to draw now? Yeah, you're absolutely right. We're going to draw the ones. Let's have a go. How many ones then? I've got the digit 4 in my ones column, so I need 4 ones. Let's have a go at doing that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hopefully you've drawn something that looks a little bit like mine, or so hopefully you've drawn something that looks a little bit like mine, with 2 hundreds, 6 tens, and 4 ones. Fantastic, excellent. Now I'm going to rub mine off because I haven't got space to do anymore, but hopefully you've got space underneath that to have a go at doing another number. Fantastic, here we go then. If you haven't got space, you could always draw yourself another place value grid if you wanted to. We're going to have a go now, or you're going to have a go at doing the number 347. Okay, 347. So in your place value grid, can you write the number 347, just like I've done, into my place value grid? And once you've done that, have a go at drawing, at representing the number 347 using our Deans, our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. Have a go for me. So have a look at those digits in the digit in the hundreds column. So how many hundreds am I going to need? Have a look at the digit in the tens column. How many tens am I going to need? And have a look at the digit in the ones column. How many ones am I going to need? So have a look at all of those and see if you can draw it out. Fabulous. Well, hopefully you have started with the hundreds, but you could start wherever you wanted, really. It doesn't matter. I'm going to start with the hundreds, and I'm going to start with the digit 3 is in my hundreds column. So I know I need 3 lots of 100. 100, 200, 300. I've got 300s. How many tens am I going to need? Yeah, you're absolutely right. I've got 4, the digit 4 in my tens column. So I'm going to need 4 sticks of 10. Woo, there we go. And what digits in my ones column? Yeah, you're absolutely right. I've got 7. So I'm going to need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. Right, I've got some true or false things for you now. So I've had a go at making some numbers, and I want you to tell me whether I've got them perfect, that it's true, or whether I've made a bit of a mistake and I need to look again. So this number, I've made the number 312, and I've had a go at making it. Have I got it right? So true, or is it wrong? Is it false? Have a look. What do you think? 312. Fantastic. Let's have a look. Call it out. Do you think it's true or false? Well done. If you said true, you're absolutely right, because in 312, I need 3 hundreds, which I've got, 1 10, which I've got, and 2 ones, which I've got. So I managed to get that one just perfect, didn't I? Well done. Okay, now I had to go at making the number 636. Okay, 636. Have I managed to make this one correct? Have a look. I need 6 hundreds, 3 tens, and 6 ones. Have I managed to get this one? Call it out. Do you think I've got it? No, I don't think I've got it. It isn't right, this one, is it? Which bit's missing? What's missing? Yeah, if you spotted, there's a missing 100, isn't there? If I go back here in my hundreds column, yeah, I've only got 5, and I add 1 more because I only got 6. The digit 6 is in my hundreds column. I need 6 lots of 100, don't I? And I only had 5. Well done if you spotted that. Right, next one then. I've got rid of the place value grid here. I wonder if you can work it out though. Is this one correct or incorrect? True or false? So the digit 4 is still in the hundreds column. The digit 8 is the tens, and the digit 0 is the ones. Have I managed to get this one? Call it out. Do you think I've got it? Yeah, you're absolutely right. Well done. I managed to get this one, didn't I? Because I needed 4 hundreds, which I've got, and 8 tens, which I've got. No ones. So that one is correct. And that one I didn't use a place value grid for because I knew that the 4 was in my represented my hundreds, the 8 represented my tens, and the 0 represented my ones. Fantastic. So if you don't need a place value grid, you don't need to use one, but it sometimes helps us, doesn't it, to work out what digit represents what. Fantastic. Okay then, over to you then. So activity number 1 today, I've got some numbers. I've got the number 316, 282, 459 and 103. And I've had a go at making them out of our hundreds, tens and ones. But I don't think they're right. I did them, to be honest, I rushed them quite a bit. So I was hoping that you could help me correct them. So I want you to see, what have I got right, what have I got wrong? There might be hundreds that I need to add or take away, tens I need to add or take away, or even ones that I need to add or take away. So if you can correct those for me, that would be fantastic. And then we've got a question over here. Teddy has used base 10 to represent the number 420. He has covered some of them up. Work out the amount that he has covered up. So pause the video now, have a go at all of these, and then click play and we'll have a go at going through the answers all together. Well done, excellent. Hopefully you've managed to have a go at those. Some of them were quite tricky, weren't they? But we're going to have a go at going through the answers now. So first of all, I've got 316, and I'm going to put my hundreds, tens and ones on top so I can really clearly see what digit represents my hundreds, my tens and my ones. So I know I need 3 hundreds in this number, but so far I've only got 1, 2. So already I'm going to draw an extra 100. I know I need 1 10, which I've got, and I need 6 ones. But how many ones have I actually only got? I've only got 2. So I'm going to take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fantastic. So I need to draw an extra 4 ones, don't I? 282. I'm going to do this again for my hundreds, tens, and ones. That really helps me. So I know I need 2 hundreds. 1, 2. Oh, actually, I need to get rid of one, don't I? I don't need that many hundreds. Tens. I need 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, need an extra 10. And I need 2 ones. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3. Oh, don't need that one. Fantastic. So can you see I'm correcting and adding, taking away the hundreds, tens, and ones I don't need. Fantastic. 459. Hundreds, tens, and ones. I know I need how many hundreds? 4 hundreds. 1, 2. Oh, so I need another 2 hundreds here, don't I? Fantastic. 2 hundreds there. 5 tens I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I've already got 5 tens. That's fantastic. I need 9 ones, don't I? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I've only got 3 there. 5, 6. Oh, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fantastic. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Excellent. Managed to get that in the end. And here, 103. 103. Okay. 100. Oh, I've gone really wrong on that one, haven't I? Because I've got 1, 2, 300. I need one of the hundreds, so I need to get rid of 2 of the hundreds there. No tens. I haven't got any tens, so that's fine. And how many ones? 3 ones. Oh, I've only got 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. So I've managed to correct those 3-digit numbers. Let's have a look at Teddy's problem then, because he'd made 420, hadn't he? But some of them been covered up by that black splat. So let's work out what number he had made already. So he's already made 100, 200, 300s. So he's already got 300s. He's got how many tens? He's got 1 10, and he's got no ones. So he's made the number. What we can see, he's made 310, hasn't he? But he says here he's made the number 420. So I'm going to do some taking away here. I'm going to do 420 take away 310 to work out. I'm going to do my ones first. 0 take away 0, 0. 2 take away 1. If I've got 2, take 1 away, left with 1. 4 take away 4, take away 1, 2, 3, left with 1. So the number that he's missing is 110. So to draw it, you'd need another 100 and another stick of 10. That was quite tricky, wasn't it? But well done, even if you had a go, because that's really, really tricky. So that's the end of lesson 3. Again, thank you so much for working so hard today. You have been awesome as usual, and I'll see you next time for our next lesson together. Bye.